and today I'm going to be trying to make slime. So all I'm going to be using is this foaming hand soap, and from our last video, this. It's basically DIY sand. So go on that video and watch it. Make sure you watch it. So first, you are going to want 1/4 of a cup of foaming hand soap. Now pour it into a bowl. Now the whole reason to wear gloves is so you don't get any food coloring.
Like this.
Yeah. So make sure you wear gloves. Okay. Now take some of this and dump it in there. Now you're gonna mix it. Oh, it's not. Oh. But if you want, you can add more food coloring. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need some blue. Right now it's ugly. Well, at least for me. It's not the best color. Uh-oh. It's sticking on to me. Okay. Okay, a little better. There. So now look at this. Oh my god, this is awesome. Okay. Now it is going to be sticky at first. So you are going to want to play around with it. This is so cool. See, this isn't... Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I didn't think this would work.
Look at the color I made.
Show them, bro. Yeah. Ew. Hashtag bar.
I'll put more blue in it.
Good idea.
It's like pea baby food. Like peas baby food.
Mine is cool, though. Warning. You probably will get some food coloring on your hands if you use this. What? Oh, yeah. No, I mean, like, as you play with it. Or at least you did the same thing I did. And made the exact choice. Make good decisions. Okay, then. There we go. So, this is my final slime. Now, if you want to get cool, and you want to try some other stuff, you have your little sister put in some salt for you. Little sister.
Definitely do salt.
Salt, please. I'll tell you salt. Okay, that's good. A little bit more salt. Oh, yes. Yes. Now, see, we didn't even use borax, and look at that. Gloves are good. Ooh, and April Fool's is coming up. Actually, for us, it's tomorrow. If you want to pull a prank on somebody, make a lot of this and put it in your soap and say that it's a brand new bottle and you're testing it out. Then when they wash their hands will come out whatever color you chose. Or you can put some food coloring on somebody's toothbrush. Or you could put some salt in somebody's water. A bunch of ways to prank people. Okay, well, I need to wash my hands. Okay, well, please remember to like and subscribe